I'm Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an afternoon cleanup time to share with you. And this is something that I've gotten a few questions on lately. How do we actually clean up at the end of our homeschool day to be able to have a good evening routine and not just be overwhelmed with a mess? Well, I want to show you that today. So first of all, we are a homeschool family, and I know there are many new homeschool families this year. The truth about homeschooling is we make lots of messes. So I want to show you what it looks like at the end of just a regular homeschool day. Today we did a lot of our schoolwork, we used computers, we used books, we pulled out tons of stuff, we had lunch, we even did some crafting this afternoon, so we have made plenty of messes. I'll show you some of the high traffic areas of our house, and then I'll show you how we all work together as a family. I do have my kids involved in our afternoon cleanup time. So the usual plan at our house is the timer rings at 3:20, and we call this our 4 o'clock tidy. So if you haven't seen my 4 o'clock tidy before, I will link some of those. I'll leave links down in the description box, and I'll even leave one in the AI cards. And this is a really essential part of our day. So you can see that we actually make messes and then we clean them up. The best thing about having this 4 o'clock tidy time is that after dinner, all we have to clean up is the dinner mess. So that is such a relief on our evening routine, and definitely at the end of the day, we're all tired, so we don't want to clean up a big mess, at 6 or 7 p.m. So we're really making this time count right now. Okay, my alarm is gonna go off in just 1 minute. So I'm gonna show you the mess and then we will get started. That means it's cleanup time. All right, you guys, ready? Let's get started. All right, we're 7 minutes in and we are like 95% done. We're gonna take out the trash, we're gonna tidy up the living room, And that's really it. So it usually takes us about 10 minutes, even on a really messy day, if everyone will help. And we have a clean, tidy space again to be able to enjoy our evening hours. All right, so you saw how easy that was. Really, it was about 10 minutes. We even got the floors swept, and it's just nice to have the house in order for the evening time. Some people have asked me lately, how do we actually do our cleanup routine? Well, this is how we actually do it. We just encourage everyone, remind them what jobs to do. Everyone's kind of used to the routine, and I think getting used to the routine is the hardest part. So if you want to start a routine like this, let your family members know your expectations, like give them a job, one job. Like, I want you to wipe off the counter and the table, or I want you to help put away the dishes. You could see our dishwasher doesn't work. Something's wrong with the motor, and so we kind of use it as a drying rack. So we do load it up when we're done washing the dishes, and then we unload it when they're dry later. And you just need to find the routines that work for you. So if the end of your school day is at 1 p.m., then maybe have, a 1 o'clock or 1:15 cleanup time, and then you can enjoy the afternoon and evening hours. For us, we found that just practically speaking, not cleaning up right after lunch, letting some of the lunch stuff linger, it helps the flow of our day keep going so that we can get all of our school stuff done in the afternoon, and then we have that kind of shift in the afternoon from school time to kind of free time or whatever else is going on. Some of my older kids sometimes do have afternoon school work that goes beyond that, but they stop and take the break and help us tidy up at our tidy up time. It's a whole family participation kind of thing, and that is just what works for us. So let me know if you guys have an afternoon cleanup time, if you have homeschooled in the past, or if you're new to homeschool, or maybe your children just come home from school at a certain time. What does your kind of transition from school day into the evening hours look like? For us, this is it. It's simple and it's really efficient for us. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.